Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm back with another LINJER unboxing. First and foremost, thank you so much to LINJER for gifting me this beautiful piece. For full transparency, this is a gifted item, but I'm sharing it with you because I love it and I definitely think other people on here would love it too and would love to learn about the brand if they haven't already. My goal on here is to only showcase items that I love and use myself, and I wouldn't be making this video otherwise. So this is now my second piece from the brand. I don't wear jewelry daily because I work from home and I don't like wearing jewelry at home, but this piece has become one I reach for every time I do put my jewelry on. Now, if you're not familiar with LINJER, it's a sustainable fine jewelry brand that boasts long-lasting, luxury quality jewelry pieces at affordable prices. They make all of their jewelry with recycled metals, ethically sourced gemstones, and conflict-free lab-grown diamonds. LINJER's goal is to enable people to enjoy the finer things in life every day, and they do this through a direct-to-consumer sales model that allows them to keep their prices low, which means that in purchasing from LINJER, you can get luxury quality jewelry for less, while also feeling confident that you're wearing both ethical and sustainable pieces. If you want to see the first piece I received from LINJER, you can head to the video in the tag above, but for my second piece, I chose another very timeless, versatile style. I've worn it regularly since I got it, sometimes even layering it with the Thais necklace that I received from LINJER a couple months back. It's honestly so pretty and I cannot wait to show you. It's called the Caterina necklace and it features a line of 7 lab-grown diamonds arranged in a graduated style along a very slightly curved bar, with the largest diamond appearing in the middle. I love the diamond arrangement because it gives the necklace a very seamless, cohesive look. The necklace itself is great for daily wear but can be dressed up as well. Definitely pops more than the Thais necklace, which has a single diamond, but it's still minimal, simple, and very elegant. This necklace also has an adjustable 14-karat gold chain that can be worn at 16, 17, or 18 inches, as well as a total carat weight of 0.437 carats. So let's take a look at it on to give you an idea of what the diamonds look like, their sparkle, and their relative size. I'm actually really impressed by how big they are. They're a lot more substantial than I expected, and they are so clear and sparkly that even though the necklace is quite dainty, they really stand out. Here I'm wearing it on the shortest setting, which is my favorite. I just think it is so pretty. I'll also show you what it looks like stacked with the Thais necklace because I think they complement each other really well. When I wear them stacked, I typically wear the Thais on the 17-inch setting like so, but I should point out that while I love wearing them stacked, you have to be aware that if you do this, it's easy for the chains to tangle because they are quite dainty. So this piece normally sells for 595 USD or 988 Canadian dollars, but it's currently on sale for 476 USD or 791 Canadian dollars with the current promotion. And considering the estimated retail value of 1240 USD or 1872 Canadian dollars, I think this is a great deal and a really fair price point. Especially if you're just getting into fine jewelry and figuring out what you like, buying from a brand like LINJER is such a great option because you can experiment while also buying long-lasting, high-quality diamond and gold pieces. For me personally, before the 2 pieces from LINJER, I didn't have any necklaces in my fine jewelry collection and I was super hesitant about dropping 2, 3, 4 times the price on a necklace from a jeweler or even one of the larger designer jewelry houses because I wasn't sure if I was going to like wearing necklaces at all. But now I know that necklaces are something that I like to wear, and LINJER gave me the opportunity to try that out. And now I have these 2 really pretty timeless pieces to round out my collection with. And LINJER has so many beautiful styles. This is the Thais necklace, which is the necklace that I showed you layered with the Caterina necklace. The Caterina necklace also comes in a smaller version called the Gemma necklace, and the Thais necklace comes in both a smaller and larger version. I would love to eventually try one of LINJER's tennis bracelets. They are so pretty. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a peek at the website in case you're interested in trying out some LINJER pieces. And if you are, you can actually use my promo code ASHA at checkout for a special offer. Not to mention, there's a 20% off promotion going on right now for Valentine's Day. So I highly recommend checking that out if you're interested in treating yourself to some fine jewelry. In the meantime, let me know what you think about the Caterina necklace. And if you've shopped with LINJER before, I'd love to hear what your experience has been like. Other than that, if you have any questions, as always, please leave them in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!